how to make a new Google account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can make a new Google account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to make a new Google account, maybe you're using an Android and you do need a Google account, right? For that, all you have to do is just open up Google app, open up Google Chrome or whatever else. Now normally you can just go to google.com, but because I have already signed in my Google account, what I will do is I'm just going to go into incognito tab just to show you guys, because I already have an account already. So I'm going to go to incognito and then just go to google.com. so you might just want to do the same. Just go to google.com from your Chrome browser. Now you don't really need to go into incognito if you don't have other accounts signed up. Once you go to google.com, at the very top you'll find sign in, so just tap the sign in option here, and over here you'll find this option called create account, so just tap the create account button, and of course for our own personal use, so we're going to select that. Now all we have to do is just make sure to enter the first name as well as the last name of our Google account that we want, and then click on the next button. And now we want to go ahead and make sure to choose our birthday in this case, and then also make sure to enter our date of birth. If you want to, you can also make sure to enter your gender, and then after you've done that, just tap the next option. Then once you've done that, the next step is a very important process which you should not forget, and that is choosing a username or an email address for your Google account. Now this is going to be used across all of the Google apps, such as your Gmail or your Google Photos, your Google Drive account. Your Google account is basically all of those. Now all you have to do is just make sure to go ahead and enter the name that you would like to use over here. So let me go ahead and then do that as well. Once I've entered the name, now in case this username is available, it will show me here, and then I'll just click the next option. The next step will require me to simply go ahead and choose your password. So confirm a password that you want to create, reconfirm the new password that you want, just tap the next option, and your Google account will be successfully created. This way you can create a Google account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.